I'm back. Man, had so many excuses why I couldn't get back, but hey, today's the day. We're gonna do something real simple. Cabbage. It ain't a full meal, but it can be a full meal. I always take the first couple leaves off just because I just think they're the dirtiest and they ain't worth cleaning. But you always want to make sure you clean your cabbage really, really good. By the way, I'm Chef Jody Joe, the Vegan God. I'm located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you share with somebody, man. Cabbage is really easy to make. Let's go. But to wash this bad boy off, man, bad, man. You gotta wash that cabbage off, man. You know it comes from dirt, right? So it might be a little dirty. You know what I'm saying? Oh God. I'm cleaning this bad boy out real good, man. I'm just using hot water today, man. It's hot water. Good old hot water, and wiping with your hands too, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Wipe that dirt off, baby. Yeah. So we got a good wipe on that. By the way, I'm cooking right now. I'm doing some hot plates today, so you might see me checking on my truffle mac and cheese. You know what I'm saying? Got me a good knife. Look at that knife, though. Man, you know what? Ain't no perfect way to do this, man. If you ask me, man, you just gotta do what works for you. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna start slicing. You see how I did that? I'm just gonna start slicing. I'm just slicing. That's it. I like it. You get a good knife. You know what I'm saying? It's a little easier. We're just making some simple cabbage. I already have my water boiling. You want to get your pot to about halfway. You're gonna need a nice size pot. Uh-oh, getting dangerous. Let me just leave it at that. We don't use this today. It's gonna cook down. This is all we're gonna use today. You know what I'm saying? Just something simple. Okay? Something really simple. First things first. You want to make sure you season your water. I'm using garlic salt today. Okay? A little garlic salt. A little shake. You know, you don't gotta shake it too much. You heard it, right? Y'all just a little. Y'all won't see me do it? Hold on, y'all won't see this. Hold on. Not that much. You know what I'm saying? Not that much. You don't use that much. I will have the recipe for you guys. Keep it more, keep it a little more simple. So I got that going. The water's already boiling. One of my secrets, liquid smoke, Gotta do your liquid smoke. Just do a little cap full. Just a little cap full. Not even the whole full. Not even the whole cap full. Just about half of it. Okay? Put the rest back in there. We in motion, baby. We in motion. The water is now boiling. Now I'm gonna hit it with a little black pepper. Black pepper ain't never hurt nobody. Just a little black pepper. Sage, ground sage. I love this. Some good stuff. A little sage, and a little cumin. You want your cabbage to have some flavor now. You want it to have some flavor. And one of my other favorites is that's a lot of cumin. I seen that. See how sometimes you ain't paying attention. I put a little bit too much in there, but we gonna make it work though. You feel me? We're gonna make it work because you can always add water. Don't be too cool to add water. You know what I'm saying? Water is the base of a lot of ingredients, sauces. Just water. But we're gonna use some good vegan butter, crunchy, country crock. That's one of the better brands. I know it's backwards. Y'all gonna have to work with me. I'm gonna use a whole bunch. Drop that bad boy in there. We got the garlic salt. We got sage. We got the liquid smoke. We got the little stick of butter. The water's boiling. And what we doing now? We're gonna start dumping the cabbage in there. We're gonna just start dumping the cabbage in there. Sometimes you might want to break it apart. But we're gonna just start dumping the cabbage in there. samples of cabbage in there. We're gonna get better with the views. I know y'all wanna see what, you know, how it look, but I'm gonna show y'all. Just be patient with me, y'all. It's my second video this year, you know. I'm just trying to stay consistent. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We're just doing some simple cabbage. Boiled cabbage. We ain't gonna serve for the whole time while it's boiling, man. We're just gonna get this, just the main recipe done, you know what I'm saying? So, you wanna make sure the water's boiling before you even start putting cabbage in there, you know? And from there, we'll make sure you get it covered. I got the top. You know what? I don't even got the top for this one. And I'm gonna use some foil. Can't go wrong with the foil. So we need this stuff to cook. I'm gonna give it a little stir. And more than likely you're gonna need some more seasoning because cabbage is just, you know, it's just water and cabbage and not a lot of seasoning. Also, I do like it. I like my spices, so I'm gonna use my truffle hot sauce. You ain't gotta use a lot. I'm just gonna use a drip. That was 3 drips. But we're gonna be alright though. We're gonna be alright. We gonna be alright. How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing? I'm keeping this really, really simple. So you wanna cook your cabbage. If I check that out, can you see that? Yeah. See how it's looking? That's me. But to see how it's looking though. It's looking good. So you want your cabbage to cook for at least 20 minutes to start getting tender, you know, or to, you know, just to how you like it. I'm gonna stir it a little bit more. Yeah. I'm gonna give it a little taste early because I'm a gangster, you know. I need to see what's going on. It's hot, so I'm just gonna lay it on the board. There we go. I'll give it a little sample. That's really good already. If y'all just want to follow that recipe just like that, that's really, really good. Honestly. Man, it's good. I don't think it needs anything else. Sometimes it just comes out perfect. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It just came out really perfect. Let me give me a little more sample. Lay it right here on the board. Boom. Make sure I wasn't tripping. Fire. It's really good. The only thing I would need, and I'm about to eat, is some hot sauce. So we've been on here 8 minutes. I'll let it cook maybe another 5 minutes maybe on high. And your cabbage is ready, baby. I'm gonna show you. You see how it's looking? Y'all see how it's looking? Smelling good too. I thought I put too much cumin in it. Uh-oh. Hold on, my bad, y'all. But yeah, man, this is my second video, man. I'm gonna keep it consistent for y'all, man. And you know what? The next video, I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm gonna give y'all 2 for 1. 2 videos for 1. No, 2 recipes for 1. All right? Peace out. We under 10 minutes. The Vegan God. Follow me on Instagram at The Real Vegan God. My website, chefjodyjoe.com. The cookbook is out. I'm working on my second cookbook. Some of these recipes will be in there. And I'm also working on the NFT. So, man, y'all stay tapped in. I'm rocking with y'all. Peace. The Vegan God.